Alright, Digistem sent me a message that my package has arrived, so I'm going to the place. I actually saw it on my map, so that is where I'm going now. I'm checking to know if I've arrived to the place, and I've gotten my gifts, my package, and on my way home. Yes, so Digistem has delivered. Digistem has delivered. Alright, here's my package. Just coming out from God is Good Logistics. Alright, yeah, that's nice. If you are not a Digistem, you are missing out. If you are not a Digistem, you are missing out. If you are not a Digistem, you are missing out. Shaladabadada. Wow, my package from Digistem all the way from Lagos to Abuja. So let's unbox this. Let's know what's inside. You can see it. Digistem. Digistem when they pamper. Digistem when they deliver. So I'll pause to unbox. Alright. Let's know what's inside. Oh. Wow. Wow. Are you seeing it? I see. Amazing. This is amazing. All the way from Lagos. Beautiful. Beautiful. Are you seeing it? Digistem. Oh, this is special. Wow. This is special. Coach Nnamdi Claris. So you can see it. Wow, this is special. This is amazing. Alright, a pen is even inside. Beautiful. Look at it. Coach Nnamdi Claris. You can see it. Coach Nnamdi Claris. This is nice. Oh my.